This is video number 2 out of my 10 video series, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Today we are going to search for profitable affiliate products, so stay tuned. Hey, Eric Rodriguez here. I'm a full-time entrepreneur and online marketer since 2013. My channel is all about me sharing as much as I can to help you be successful and make a lot of money online. Now, if it's your first time with me, I want to personally say welcome and consider subscribing so you don't miss another video. Now, if you've been with me before, I want to welcome you back and say thank you. Hey guys, okay, so I want to jump into it right away, and I will be looking down on my notes because I want to make this fast, easy, and fun, and straight to the point to punch you in the mouth with some information. Alright, so remember, this is video number 2 out of the 10 videos that I'm making for affiliate marketers for beginners. And today I want to show you how to find a fun, easy, and profitable niche and affiliate product, okay? So again, I will be looking at my notes. So number 1 is that you want to find a niche that you have some type of interest in. So for instance, if you like health, you like to work out, you like to be healthy, you want to stay in that niche and find the product that you really believe in it because you want to make it fun. You want to be excited about advertising and working with that affiliate product, because if it's no fun, you don't like it, you're going to half-ass it and your results are going to show at the end of the day. Number 2, you want to make sure that the product is going to solve a problem, because the people have a problem. They are always searching for a solution to solve it. So they're pretty much dying or calling for you to put that product in front of them so they could buy it. It makes it much easier for you when you're starting out. Number 3, the top niches are going to be relationship, weight loss, earning money, motivation, Bitcoin, and stocks. Okay, so if you could find or stay within, just for the beginning, stay within one of these niches that are the most profitable, I highly recommend that. And make sure again that you have an interest, that you like it, and it's exciting for you to work with that type of niche. All right, so number 4, make sure you take your time. You want to research it, you want to find the conversion rates, you want to see how much advertising is going to cost you, or how much it's going to, or what you have to do free advertising just to get people to that sales page and build your list, which I'm going to talk about in the next videos. So make sure you take your time and do research and make sure that you like it. I can't say that enough. All right. Number 5, make sure that you're at least getting $30 in commission, because that is the sweet spot. That is the minimum, unless, which I don't really recommend, but unless once you start becoming a professional and that you know what you're doing, unless you're doing the $1 signups or the free signups where you get $2 or $3 per signup on that one. So again, when you're first starting off, the sweet spot is around $30 plus for the commission. All right, so that's what I want to start off. That is section number 1. Now let's jump into my computer for section number 2, and I'm going to show you exactly where to find these affiliate products so we could be profitable and make it fun and make some money. All right, so let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on my computer, and the first one I want to show you is Clickbank. I believe it's the largest affiliate network that there is online. So it's very easy. You sign up for Clickbank, and then you come to the affiliate marketplace, and here on the left-hand side, you can find your category, so you can find your niche that you have an interest in, and that therefore it will be fun and enjoyable for you to advertise. So for instance, if we go to health and fitness, you come here and you can see all the information about it, how much the average sale that you will earn. This is your commission. This is for, let's see, sometimes they have rebills. So let's see. So initial sale, you'll be getting around $37.98. And then the average percentage sale is 75%. Average rebill total is about 44 cents. So all that average out is to $38.18. And the gravity is the popularity, or how many sales this product has been generated for the last 30 or 60 days, if I'm not mistaken. And then here you can see more information, the language, if it's a one-time billing, if it has a resale, recurring billing. Also, if they have the $1 trial, you have shippable media, Pitch Plus, affiliate tools, vendor spotlight. Okay, so Here is the most important thing. You want to come to the affiliate page. This is where you're going to see the landing page, and you're going to see more information as far as if they have competitions for the affiliates, if it hasn't launched yet, if they're going, when and where they're going to launch it. And then also, if you just click on the actual highlighted name, you will be sent to the actual sales page, so you can take a look at it and make sure that this is a product that you will buy for yourself. So that's one thing. Then the next one is going to be JVZoo. JVZoo is just like Clickbank, just like Clickbank, but JVZoo I like because when you promote a product, and let's say if they have a landing page or a squeeze page that requests their email, that email address, when it is put in there, it automatically goes into your email list. So if you have get response, for example, you could integrate it to the sales page or even the checkout page. So once they put in their information, it automatically goes onto your list, because that's very important. You want to grow your list to have a sustainable and long-term business. Remember, these are the tips for affiliate marketing for beginners, and right now we're choosing affiliate products to be fun and to be profitable. So that's number 2. Number 3, you have Warrior Plus, same exact thing. Come to the marketplace and find a product that you will enjoy to promote and make money with. You have CJ, which is Commission Junction, same exact thing. Find a product, do your research, and make sure that it's going to be something that you are going to enjoy and that you will buy for yourself. We have eJunkie. eJunkie is practically the same thing, but at this time you can sell downloads and actual tangibles for your marketing business. And it's very easy to set up, as you can see. Step 1, step 2, and then step 3. The next one is ShareSell. ShareSell is if you have it's physical products, and if you have a e-commerce site and you want to sell actual physical products, you could get products from here and make a commission off of it. And here's another one. You have Amazon Associates. There's 2 ways to make money. You could advertise or promote products that are already on Amazon. You get a smaller commission, and then also to make more commission, you could find products wholesale and then sell them for a little higher price or regular price to make larger profits on it. And that's a whole different monster with Amazon. And I will make a video later on as far as how to make money on Amazon and the specifics and the details as far as how to do that. So don't forget, subscribe and don't miss that video. Just like it's Amazon, we have eBay. eBay is selling products as well, but it's in an auction form. So you could post and list products at a wholesale, or that you get wholesale, and list it for a little bit more so you can make more money, and people bid on it auction style, and they purchase your product so you could ship it out. There's that one. And then there's More Niche. More Niche I definitely like, because when you find a product here, when you find a product and you go into more details, they actually have all the information for you, so it cuts down the research time in half. It tells you, how much you're going to make, obviously, and through the history of the product, how much the EPC, which is the earning per click, what's the conversion rate, the most important details that you need to know to see if it's going to be a profitable affiliate product for you. Then if you are into the health and wellness, this is for you. This is Market Health Affiliate Network. Very nice network. I've done a lot of products with this one. They pay on time, customer service is good, and they have good products as well. And sometimes if you contact the product owner or creator, they actually send you a few samples so you could actually test it out and make reviews. Reviews is a very powerful thing, because a lot of people, they, if it's their first time seeing you, then they put a face to the voice, and they actually see the actual product being used, and if it works, if it doesn't work, etc., and more detailed information. So you're creating the most important things. They got to like you, and they got to trust you, and they got to know you for sure. That way they could buy more from you. Then this is a little bonus. This is Munchkin. Munchkin is pretty cool. After you make a few sales, you could come here and you could see products that are going to be launched in the future, and you could do something that's called launch jacking. Launch jacking is, for example, let's say you want to do this one right here, Cindy Donovan and VidClicko. So it's going to be launched on July 31st. So what you could do is that you could go here, and if they require
for the affiliates to be accepted, then you go ahead and you fill out the information so you could be accepted to promote the product. And also a lot of times they will have a demo account for you, so you could videotape it and make a review and situate yourself in the high rankings, like such as YouTube, get free traffic from there. And also if you write a blog, you could situate and rank yourself on Google and get free traffic from that way as well. So when the launch date comes around, for instance on this one, July 31st, you're already ranked, you're on the first page, and people are going to be, or affiliates are going to be advertising it, and it's going to be all over and people are going to see it. And I don't know, sometimes when I see something, I always want to see if it works, or see a video and go to YouTube and see a review on it. So when someone comes in and puts in video or VidClicko review, then on YouTube they're going to see your video because you've done your homework, you've researched it, you did a review, and you were the first one to be there, and you get a lot of free traffic. And therefore, if it's free traffic and you get sales, obviously you're going to make the maximized commission on that one. So it's very good. It's a very good idea, and it's for your long term. So I've made a lot of money doing this, so keep that in mind. So once you start making a few sales, you come over here and you can start doing launch jacking and situate yourself so you could get a lot of free traffic and make a lot of money. So there you have it. So those are all the products, or all the networks that I use to find profitable and fun products to promote. So I hope you enjoyed the second video of my affiliate marketing for beginners, and this one is video number 2. So we could find affiliate products. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe so you could go down to video number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, where I go in every detail as far as what I do to make money and be a successful affiliate marketer.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed that video, and I have a question of the day. What type of product, if you could choose anything in the world, what type of niche or product would you like to promote? Make sure you put it down in the comments because I would love to talk to you about it. Thanks again for checking out the video, and in the description I went ahead and put in all the notes and all the links of everything that we went over in this video. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on another video, because I am doing a 10 video affiliate marketing for beginners course, which is totally free. So don't miss out on the next one, and I put in all the links down below. So I'll see you until the next time.